everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sydney and today's video is going to be a full face of first impressions from Ulta. I wanted to do a full face of drugstore makeup and see if I could find some drugstore makeup that I liked. And I actually did find a few products. I came up with this look. It's not like full on glam, but it's not like she's not wearing any makeup kind of look. It's just like a little in between, and I do like how it turned out. If you want to see how I came up with this makeup look and if you want to see if I like these products or don't, then just keep on watching. Okay, first thing, I'm just going to put my hair up with a bandana. Wow, I'm not even matching, it's fine. To start off with the eyes, I got an eye primer that is Milani. It is the Milani eyeshadow primer, and it says that it is supposed to intensify and extends the wear of any eyeshadow. We're going to test that out today and see. It's in the shade Nude. Can you see it? It feels really oily, so I don't know if this is going to be good for my eyelids because I have really oily eyelids, but we shall see. Okay, so next thing we're going to try out is this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air Color Icon eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. I thought it was really pretty and it was super affordable, so that's a win. These are the colors. I'm going to use this shade right here to set the eyeshadow primer. Oh, it's pigmented. Now that I set my eyes with that eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the color, it says Transition, this one right here, and just put that in my crease. Alright, next I'm going to take the shade right here and just put it right below that color we just put in. And then we're going to take that Transition shade again and just blend that out. Okay, next color we're going to take is the color right below it, and then just focus that more on the outer corner and then blend it into the lower crease area. And then again, just blending that out. Next I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a champagne shimmery color, and I'm just going to add that to my lid. The shimmer shade is not the best. It's just not picking up very well and it's not very pigmented. It applies better with my finger, but I mean, for a $4 eyeshadow, you can't really ask for much. The mattes are beautiful. They blend out perfectly, but the shimmer shade is not the best. Lastly, I'm going to take the darkest color in this palette and just focus this on the outer V. I know I have another product that I got at Ulta. It's not part of this Ulta purchase, but I did purchase it from Ulta before. So we're gonna just use that. It's the Model's Own Glitter Chrome Eyeshadow. Just a little bit on my lid. I'm just trying to add a little more of that shimmer shadow on top of this. Now that the eyeshadow is complete, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lashes. I got the Lash Paradise in the Blackest Black, and it's the waterproof version. And now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. I just got the Ardell lashes in 810, and I'm just gonna put these on real quick. Okay, now the eyelashes are on, let's zoom you back out and let's finish our face. For the primer today, I'm going to be using the One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Powder Primer, and this is by Soap & Glory. For foundation today, we're going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and this is supposed to be really high coverage, and a lot of people were raving about this online. So we'll see if we like it ourselves. And to apply that, I'm going to be using this Real Techniques Face and Body Sponge. It is humongous, so I thought it would be cool to just try it out. I'm going to go get that wet. I'll be right back. I feel like it got so much bigger. So with the foundation, I picked up the shade 312, so hopefully it matches. It looks like it would, so let's just see. I'm not gonna lie, I found it a little hard using this sponge to get around like my nose crease area and then underneath my eyes. It was a little hard. I mean, for overall, all over the face, I thought it was pretty easy, but just in the little areas where you need to get in there, it's kind of hard using the sponge. And for this foundation, I think it went on really pretty. I didn't emphasize my pores. It doesn't look that cakey. So for setting the face today, we're gonna be using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's by Maybelline and it's just in the shade Fair Light. And I'm just gonna use this to bake my face. So while my face is baking, I'm gonna just do my eyebrows. I just got the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil for my eyebrows. I've never tried this, so we'll see how it goes. And then I also got the color Ash Brown. Okay, so my first thoughts on this brow pencil is that it is creamy for a $2 eyebrow pencil, and I do like it. I just am not very used to using brow pencils, so it's just gonna take a little bit of practice. But I really do like that they added a spoolie. I think it's really soft and it's easy to blend out, so yeah. Now to just make my eyebrows a little bit darker on the outer half, I'm gonna put that brown shadow that was in the eyeshadow palette and just go over the end part of my brow. Okay, now to set the brows, I got the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and this is just to set my eyebrows. Okay, now the brows are done. They're definitely not how I usually wear them. I guess it'll do for today's video. Next, I'm just gonna wipe off all that bake using a Morphe brush. Alright, next up I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use the same palette and basically take the dark brown shade and then put it in my lower lash line and then smoke it out with this red shade right here. I'm just gonna add mascara to the lower lash line, just the same mascara that I have been using, the Lash Paradise. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm just gonna use this to highlight my brow bone and then the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, good. This look is finally coming together. It was looking a little rough, but now I feel like it's getting a little better. What is happening to my voice? Alright, for bronzer we're going to be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. Smells like the beach and the pool and coconuts and deliciousness. And then I'm just going to take this L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush in the shade Charming. Now just taking that same highlighter I took on the brow bone and the inner corner, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Okay, for lips, I got this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Big Proposal, and it looks like that. And then over that, I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. I didn't buy a setting spray from Ulta, but I do have this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and it is affordable, so I'm just gonna use this today. So this is the completed look using all drugstore makeup from Ulta. It was a full face of first impressions. So if I could only choose 2 or 3 items to keep, I would definitely keep the bronzer, the highlighter, and the blush. All the face products were really good. Oh, the foundation was also good. It went down really smooth and it matched me pretty well, so I would keep these 4 items if I had to choose. Oh, and the Maybelline, oh, and this, and in the, okay, all of this, I would keep all of this. I can't choose. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!